Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb in a Nissan Altima. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. It is important to work on a cooled engine to avoid any burns. Remember, headlight bulbs often dim at similar rates, so it is best practice to replace both bulbs at the same time for optimal and balanced illumination. Accessing the headlight bulb varies slightly depending on the side. For the driver's side, you will typically need to remove the airbox by unscrewing a 10mm bolt and loosening 2 clamps. For other access points, turn your steering wheel to gain space, then use a trim tool to remove push clips and screws from the wheel well splash guard. On the passenger side, you may need to remove 2 10mm bolts from the radiator overflow container. Once you have access, disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb by pressing its locking tab and gently pulling. Next, grip the base of the old bulb and turn it counterclockwise to disengage it from the headlight assembly. Carefully insert the new bulb, ensuring the tabs align, then turn it clockwise until it clicks firmly into place. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare fingers, as oils can create hot spots and shorten its lifespan. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical harness until it clicks. Before reassembling everything, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure both new bulbs are working properly. Once confirmed, carefully reinstall all components you removed, such as the airbox, radiator overflow container, or wheel well splash guard. Make sure all bolts, screws, and clips are securely fastened to maintain your vehicle's integrity and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.